A video widely shared on social media shows the terrifying moment when Mount Etna, Europe's most active volcano, suddenly erupted violently, sparking mass panic. In the footage, tourists are seen running aimlessly for safety, trying to escape the swift and brutal threat of nature. The initially clear sky darkened within minutes. A thick cloud of ash rose, blanketing the mountaintop and obscuring the sun. Loud booms rang out repeatedly, like a giant explosion shaking the earth. From Mount Etna's crater, incandescent lava gushed out, accompanied by a hail of volcanic rocks that fell down the mountainside. In the video, the panic was palpable. Some tourists fell as they ran, while others looked back in terror, watching as ash and black smoke chased them. Volcanic dust filled the air, making breathing increasingly difficult. Each breath felt labored and painful, as if their lungs were filling with hot ash. The situation grew increasingly tense as visibility drastically decreased. What was usually a tourist trail turned into a dangerous terrain. Small rocks fell, and the ground beneath their feet shook. Panic caused some to lose their bearings, and cries of warning echoed amid the chaos. Mount Etna is known to be active, but this eruption came with a force that surprised many. Experts say Etna's volcanic activity can increase suddenly, giving anyone nearby little time to react. For tourists trapped on the mountain slopes, these moments can be a near-life-threatening experience. Volcanic activity at Italy's most active volcano has again shown a triggered increase. Mount Etna, located on the island of Sicily, recently experienced a significant interruption in explosive activity. This phenomenon has prompted authorities to raise the aviation alert level to the highest, as the risk to air traffic safety in the Mediterranean region increases. Mount Etna is known as one of the most active volcanoes in the world, with a long and complex history of eruptions. However, the intensity of this latest activity is considered more severe than previous phases. Explosive eruptions are accompanied by plumes of dense volcanic ash that rise high into the atmosphere, creating ash clouds that can spread hundreds of kilometers from the eruption center. This condition is extremely dangerous for aircraft because volcanic ash particles can damage jet engines, interfere with navigation systems, and drastically reduce visibility. The Italian Center for Volcanology and Geological Monitoring reported an increase in magma pressure within the volcano, characterized by high-frequency volcanic earthquakes, new lava flows, and loud booms from the main crater. Previously periodic strombolian activity has now evolved into more powerful and unpredictable explosive eruptions. Experts call this a critical phase requiring close 24-hour monitoring. The impact of this activity is being felt not only by scientists and aviation authorities, but also by the surrounding community. Volcanic ash has begun to cover various organizations, agricultural land, and critical infrastructure. Airports in Sicily have been forced to restrict or even temporarily suspend some flights to ensure the safety of passengers and aircraft. The tourism sector has also been impacted, as the area around Mount Etna is one of Italy's most popular natural tourist destinations. Although Mount Etna has been a part of local life for centuries, this increase in extreme activity continues to raise concerns. Local authorities continue to urge the public to follow safety guidelines, wear ash masks, and avoid the danger zone around the crater. Evacuation routes have been prepared in case the situation worsens. Furthermore, this phenomenon serves as a stark reminder of the power of nature beyond human control. Mount Etna, with all its beauty and threat, once again demonstrates that Earth's geological activity can change at any time. Scientists emphasize that this increase in explosive activity is still being explained, and the possibility of a larger eruption if magma pressure continues to increase cannot be ruled out. With the aviation alert currently at its highest level, the international community is taking developments at Mount Etna seriously. Human safety, both on the ground and in the air, is a top priority amidst this increasingly tense situation. Mount Etna once again symbolizes the majestic and terrifying power of nature, reminding the world that the Earth is always moving and alive.